Your cat does this, and almost nobody knows why. If your cat slowly turns their back to you, that's not ignoring you, it's trust. Cats only do this when they feel completely safe around you. Male cats are also more likely to guard you while you sleep. They often sit near doors or close to your head. Because sleep is when they think you're most vulnerable. And those random sprints at night, that's not energy. It's leftover hunting instinct being released when the house finally goes quiet. So, which one does your cat do? Comment down below.